Did you know Azim Premji left Stanford University to save his family's failing soap company? At just 21 years old, after his father's sudden death, he abandoned his engineering studies and rushed back to India. The family business, Western Indian Vegetable Products, was drowning in debt and making basic soap and cooking oil. But Premji saw opportunity where others saw failure. He completely transformed the company, and in the 1980s made a bold move into technology. While everyone thought he was crazy for leaving soap behind, Premji built Wipro into a global technology giant worth billions of dollars. Here's what's incredible. Despite being one of India's richest men, he still drives himself to work and lives in the same house for decades. But the most shocking part, he donated 95% of his entire wealth to education and healthcare for the poor. Premji proved that true success isn't just about making money. It's about adapting when life hits you hard and using your success to lift others up. Sometimes the biggest failures become the greatest comebacks.